How to create Apple ID on Android device. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Apple ID on Android device. To create an Apple ID on Android device, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have opened my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar here you need to type in account.apple.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the go button of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Apple. Here once you reach to this page, next to this Apple account, you will be able to see the drop-down icon. Tap on this icon and here you will be able to see the option Create Your Apple Account. Tap on this Create Your Apple Account option and then wait for a while. Now you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to fill out all of this information in order to proceed further. In the first text box, enter your first name and in the second text box, enter your last name. After that, here you need to scroll down. Here choose the country or the region and now type in your birthday. Once you have entered your birthday, now you will need to enter your email address. This will be your new Apple account. Once you have entered your email address, now finally create your password. Tap on the password box. Here you will need to meet all of these criteria presented below. It must be 8 or more characters, should include upper and lowercase, and there should be at least one number in your password. After entering the password, now you will need to enter it again in the second box to confirm. Make sure to enter the same password in the second box. After that, you will need to select your country code here and then type in your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, here you'll need to scroll down. Now you will need to choose the way of verification, whether you want to verify with your text message or a phone call. Once you have selected it, here you will need to scroll down. Make sure the check boxes are selected here, and now in this box you need to tap on it and enter the same characters as presented in the image. Once you have entered it, now scroll down and finally tap on this continue button right here. After that, now you will be sent a verification code in your email address. Wait for the code, and once you get the email, you will need to look for the code there and type in the code in this box. After entering the code, tap on this next button right here and it will start the verification. Once the email is successfully verified, now you will be sent a verification code in your mobile number. You will need to wait for the code, and once you get the code, you will need to enter it in this box. After entering the code, tap on this next button right here, and after that your account will be created. So by following these steps, you should be able to create Apple ID on Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.